probably about a pound. Look at the skin that thing. Look at that.
Walk up there and
It's probably about a pound lighter than mine. There he goes, Tommy. You on him?
All you got to do to tell her what gauge it is.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to read.
Look at
him. He's up.
And
Tail is up. And we're going to rotate 3-2. There he goes. He's off. He's going to put it through that little gap. Look at the thing climb out. Wow.
That's cool, man.
That is very cool. You got that right, Tom?
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Sweet.
Look how maneuverable that thing is. It's like a giant ultralight. I wonder if he's going to come see us.
Revving up.
Keep filming, Tommy's coming right by low.
You're going to have to swing with him, buddy. Are you ready?